So first things first, I'm just going to go onto it just like this, and I'm going to type this prompt in where I'm going to say, out of these 10 ways to make money online, can you rank them from the hardest to the laziest, but consider the potential to make a decent income? And there's all of these different options, create an ebook and sell it on KDP, find a winning Amazon product to sell, start a faceless Instagram page, do some sort of a service-based business, all of these different options. You can pause the screen right now if you want to see them. But what I'm going to do is just click on enter. And instantly it's now come back with the ranking of what it believes is the hardest to the laziest. So as we can see, the laziest one that it's come back with is to sell an AI digital product on a blog website. And it seems as though the reason why it's put this as the laziest one is because of the workload as well as the potential income, due to the fact that there's multiple different streams of income that you can earn from a blog website. So as promised, what I'm going to do is get started with this. I don't want to waste any time, so I'm just going to jump straight into the next prompt, and I'm going to say, what are the top 10 most profitable niches for a blog website that I can earn multiple streams of income and sell a digital product? I'm just going to use this prompt for now and then click on enter. Okay, so it's now come back with all of the different niches that I'm going to be able to choose from. Topics like personal finance and investing, AI and automation, self-improvement, tech and software, all of these different niches that I'm now going to be able to do a little bit more research into. Now, the one that I'm going to pick in this particular video is going to be personal finance and investing. If you guys watch me, you already know that this is the one that I like to pick because this is what I'm interested in. I've actually got blog websites operating right now within this niche, and I know that it's one that can generate a decent amount of income. So this is the one that I'm going to pick in this video. We can also see over here that there's an opportunity when it comes to earning affiliate commissions through things like promoting credit cards, investing platforms, and I'm also going to be able to sell digital products when it comes to budgeting templates, investing courses, and crypto guides. So now that I know what niche I'm going to move forward with when it comes to building this website, the next niche that I'm going to type in is, can you give me the top 10 most searched on Google digital products, specifically educational guides that I can sell? And then click on enter. Okay, so these are the 10 highly searched for educational guides within the finance niche that it believes people are actively searching for on Google right now. Topics to do with budgeting strategies, debt management, investment basics, all of these different ones. But the one that I'm going to double check on Google Trends is going to be credit score improvement. So I'm just going to come over to Google Trends just like this and type in something simple like credit score course and see if people are searching for the search term, and then just click on explore. All right, so it does seem that people are going onto Google on a consistent basis. If anything, ever since 2014, more and more people have been going onto Google to search for information about how they can improve their credit score. So this could create a great opportunity when it comes to being able to provide an educational digital product that I'm going to be able to make using AI. Literally what I'm going to be able to do, and what you're going to be able to do if you're following along, is come on to this digital product builder called Gamma.app. I'm going to leave it linked down below. It's completely free for you to sign up. The reason why I recommend it is because it works in such a simple way. All you got to do is just enter a short prompt for whatever guide that you're looking to make. In this case, I'm just going to say that I want to make a credit score course/guide that will give people specifically in the USA the steps they need to improve their credit score. Literally just typing in something as short as this is going to be able to take care of the rest. So I'm just going to say that I want it to be long. I'm going to say that I want it to be at least 15 cards, and I'm going to generate the outline. It's going to be during this outline that you're going to be able to move things around. You can edit certain slides, you've got complete flexibility, but I'm just going to leave it as it is and just click on generate. And just like that, as you can see, it's gone straight to work to produce a well-designed guide that's going to give people information on what they need to do when it comes to improving their credit score. I still can't believe AI tools like this exist, because back when I was creating digital products 4 years ago, 3 years ago, it took me, maybe a few weeks for me to get my digital products to this stage. All of the images, all of the graphics, everything you can see has been done within a matter of seconds. Now, the good thing about this tool is that you don't have to leave it as it is. If you want to, make any changes to the text, you can add more information. If you want, you can, change any of the graphics. You can do whatever you want. I'm only here to show you this as an example. But once you're happy with it, you've gone through it, you've read it, and you want to start selling it, all you need to do is click on these three dots, click on export, and you're going to be able to export it as a PDF or as a PowerPoint. But once you've gotten to the point where you've now built your digital product and you want to start selling it, there's a number of different ways that you can do it, right? But in this specific example, we're going to be selling it on our own blog website. And the reason for that is when it comes to building a blog website, you're going to be able to drive traffic to it simply using the Google search results. I'm going to touch on that a little bit later on, but when it comes to listing your product for sale on your blog website, the tool that I would recommend is going to be Hostinger. So I'm going to leave it linked down below in my description. As you can see, it's 80% off if you use that link. You're going to be able to get a free domain name. It comes with 24/7 live customer support, and you're also going to get 3 months for completely free as well. So let me show you exactly how the AI store builder works. All you need to do is click on start now. And from here, you need to select the business website builder option. So just click on choose plan. And since you're going to be building a passive income website that's going to be able to generate you money far into the future, as long as you set things up in the right way, the period that you want to select is ideally going to be the longer one because this is where you're going to be able to get the bigger discount. And if you wanted to get an even bigger discount, just click on coupon code, enter this one in, and you're going to see that even more money has been deducted. But once you've created your account, it's now going to take you over to this page where you're going to be able to get your website built within a matter of minutes. So I'm going to show you exactly how I would do that for this particular website that I'm looking to set up. So it's going to ask you for a brand name and a description. And this is where ChatGPT is going to be able to come in. Now, of course, if you already know what brand name you want to use and you already know what type of website you want to build, you're going to be able to easily enter it. But for the sake of using ChatGPT, I'm just going to say that I want it to give me 20 brand names to choose from for the blog website within the personal finance niche, and then click on enter. And just using this is going to be able to spark some ideas. You don't necessarily need to, use the one that it gave you, but if there's anything that stands out to you, you're going to be able to tailor it to your own satisfaction. Now, the one that I'm going to use in this video is going to be Smart Money Moves. This one sounds pretty decent, so I'm just going to copy it like that, come over to Hostinger, paste it in there just like this. The next thing that you can do if you're following along with what I'm doing is come back over to ChatGPT just like this and ask it to give you a description. So I'm going to tell it what name I'm going with, and I'm also going to say that I want it to give me 400 to 600 words. And I also want it to know that I'm going to be using Hostinger's AI website builder, and if it can give me the necessary information so that I can copy and paste it. So I'm just going to click on enter. And again, you don't need to do this. You can literally just type in whatever description you want. I just find this a little bit easier. So what I'm going to do is wait for it to finish, and then I'm just going to copy all of it just like this. And then I'm just going to paste it in there just like that. And that should be fine. And what I'm going to do now is just click on create a website. Okay guys, and just like that, within a few minutes, maybe 1 minute or less, it was able to come back with this website that I'm going to be able to start using ASAP. Now in this video, you saw me go from not knowing what side hustle I was going to choose to knowing exactly which one was going to bring me the most money in the laziest way. And right here in front of me, I've been able to build the foundation of this side hustle because now I've got a digital product that I'm going to be able to sell. I've also got this blog website that is going to be able to earn me money when it comes to affiliate commissions. And I'm also going to be able to build up a newsletter in the process because, as you can see, the AI website builder has put this landing page or this capture page for people to enter their email address and information. And the good thing about using Hostinger is that when it comes to writing the blog articles that is hopefully eventually going to be able to get ranked on Google to start driving traffic to your site, you're going to be able to do that using AI. Because if I just click on blog overhead and click on AI tools, as you can see, there's a AI blog generator. I'm just going to click on this one, and you're going to be able to enter a description of whatever blog article that you want to write. And just to give you an example of how this works, I'm just going to type this prompt in that says, write an article titled How to Improve Credit Scores for Beginners that are based in the USA. I'm going to say that I want the length of the content to be at least 800 words minimum. And I'm going to say that I want the tone of voice to be casual, and then I'm just going to click on create content. And there you go. You just saw that it was able to produce this fully written article in less than 30 seconds or so. All of the information's in here, and within this article, I'm going to be able to link to the digital product that you saw me make earlier. Now, of course, this side hustle is not a get rich quick scheme by any means. You're still going to have to put the effort in when it comes to using AI to potentially create short form videos to drive traffic to the website as well. And you're also going to have to pre-schedule the blog articles to go out far into the future. But the reason why I believe that ChatGPT has said that this is one of the laziest ways of being able to make money using the internet is mainly because there's so many different ways that you're going to be able to automate it, and there's so many different ways that you can integrate AI with various different elements of the side hustle so that you don't have to do it yourself. But in this video, I just wanted to give you the foundations of what you need to be aware of when it comes to getting started. But I've got many more videos planned when it comes to other things you need to know if you want to be able to drive traffic to websites like this in a number of different ways. So be sure to like this video, press the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss those future videos. And if you want to watch a recent YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I go through some of my favorite AI side hustles that you're going to be able to do from your bedroom, your living room, wherever you want to do it, just click the link over there, watch that video straight after this, because that video has helped out so many people and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. But other than that, guys, I'll catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.